Good morning, John. I'm with the Apache. Oh, Apache or a llama? Hello, hello, hello. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, they're so cute. Hello, hello. There's a black one. They are either llama or Apache. Oh, hello, hello. Wow, you're so cute. You're so cute. Hello. 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 They're very hungry. They're very hungry. Oh wow, hello, 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 hello. Don't eat, don't eat. Come on. Come on. Look at me, look at me. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. They're hungry, they're hungry. Day 3 hiking on Great Glen Way, but day 6 in Scotland.
Good morning. Look,
Good morning, John.
Forest,
Yeah.
alongside,
Yeah, the water on our left, the forest on our right. Yeah, this we're back to Caledonian Canal, I think. Yeah, smile, John.
Alright, good. Look, beautiful, beautiful.
The log from the high up. They clear out the trees for wood, and we have better view of the logs. Yeah. I can't see far. There's a curve at the end towards Loch Ness. No, still can't see it. This one is nice. Right. We are deep in the forest, but there is no bird singing. There is no bird singing. I'm not so sure whether there's any military experiments taking place here. It's eerie and quiet and silent. There are so many trees, but there's no bird singing. Yeah, nothing. Look at the forest. Deep in the forest. No bird singing. Scared, John. I'm scared, John.
You're scared, yeah? You're hungry, yeah?
No, I'm scared. Ooh. You always look at your... Well, this is the transmitter. Not sure whether this transmitter is the cause of the disappearance of the birds. It's really quiet here. Okay, this is called the Bridge of Oil. O-A-I-H. Bridge of Oil. Okay, let's look at the description. It was built in 1849 with the 1849 technology. Ooh, that's really good. We are back to John. Are we back to Caledonian Canal? Or the River of Oil? Yeah, we rely on this sign to direct us, and we also have a GPX map. Okay, yeah. Well done, John. Very good. Then just keep walking. Walk a bit faster. Yeah. Still can yeah, see a bit of water. Yeah. Yeah, the water is here. Yeah. Wow, this is Loch Ness. Yeah. Ooh, monster. Hey John, we are in front of
Loch Ness.
And we are looking for Loch Ness monster.
Loch Ness monster.
Monster or
No.
called Nessie. Oh, look at behind us. Any sign of the? Oh, there's a helicopter. Maybe search for the monster. Search for the monster. Oh, Loch Ness.
You put your phone down.
Okay, this is the Queen Victoria Jubilee from 1837 to 1897. I need to make it bigger so that we can see the year. Okay. Okay, day 6 now. Bank's guest house.
Beautiful.
The best room ever.
Best one so far.
The most spacious room ever.
And 3 on spec.
And the most spacious bathroom so far. And very, very good view. We can see
Of the canal.
we can actually see our route,
see
the
the
Great
canal.
Glen Way.
And then the canal a little bit further up meets the Loch Ness.
Yeah. Wow, look at the space. Delicious. Oh, delicious. Oh, delicious. Delicious breakfast. Okay.
The last one though.
Yeah. Hello. Say hello to John. Oh, say hello to John. Oh, very delicious. Okay. Bye-bye. Delicious breakfast.